recording. Okay, and then I am sharing my screen. You guys are able to see my screen?
No, sir.
Now?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see. Okay. Now what we need to do is, the requirement is like this. Okay. We need to do course registration, course updation, view list of courses, and then we also want to see delete courses. Okay, Deepa? Are you
Yes.
following, Kelvin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in my project, I don't have any app for course. Kelvin, are you following?
Yes, sir.
I don't have any course. So how to add, create a new app? Can you guys guide me? Hi. Manage.py. Huh? Start app. App name.
Student course registration.
Course. I'll say course only. App is course. Correct. Registration is a one process. Correct. Okay. Now. Okay. Now you got the course. Okay. Now I want to create first, when I click course, I'll say welcome page. What does it mean is, I'll go here and I'll say course. Now right now what it will come? Nothing is coming. Okay. Now what needs to be done as a step one? First, which settings I need to go? Deepa, which settings I need to go? My first project settings. What I need to do? The first one, what we need to do? Student, comma, course. The first step we need to do, add course here. Okay. Next step, what we need to do? So next step we need to do, where we need to go next? URLs. Okay. What we need to do? We need to add a path. Deepa, you also guide me. Course. Forward slash is required, correct? Okay.
Yes.
Then what we need to do? Include
course URLs.
Include course
URLs.
dot
Dot.
URLs. It should be within quotes. Now, under course, course dot URLs. Do we have a URLs here? Under course, we have a URLs. We need to create a URLs, correct?
Yes.
URLs dot py. Okay. Next, what we need to do in under URLs? Huh? what we need to do? We need to include Django path, correct? We need to include Django path. The next one is we need to URL patterns. We need to create a URL patterns. Now I'll say welcome, views.welcome, rest everything. I am deleting it. Okay. Course/welcome, views.welcome. What we need to do views.welcome means under views, what we need to do? We need to define a welcome method, correct? Which will take a request. Sorry. We will see that. Written. Render. Not render. We can directly return HTTP response, correct? So how to include a HTTP response? Deepa? Django.http from Django.http import
HTTP response.
HTTP response. Okay, now HTTP response. What we can do? We can type contain H1 welcome to my courses.
Sir, we want to give H1 as header tag, sir, here.
Yeah, this is what we are returning, correct? Now let's go and see, will it work? Course / welcome. Hmm? What is the problem? Server is not started, correct? How to start server?
Manage.py run, sir.
Run server, super. I thought you guys would have forgot everything, I thought, but I forgot. Now you got it? Welcome to my courses. Okay. Now, if I want to make this as an HTML page, what we need to do? We need to create a folder called templates. And then you'll create
Templates file.
welcome.html, correct?
Yes, sir.
Welcome.html. I'll say H1. Welcome to Lab in Tech courses. Okay, now how to include this, how to return this welcome.html? Instead of response,
Return render.
we need to use
Render.
return render.
Request,
We need to
comma.
pass the request, correct?
Yes, sir.
Comma. Template name.
Welcome.html.
Welcome.html. Okay. Anything else we need to do? Nothing, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go and say refresh. Welcome to Live Tech courses. Kelvin, you are able to follow what I done till now?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no.
Yes, sir. Somewhat I understood.
Okay.
I understood, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, what is this model? How to create model? Hmm? Hmm. Okay. So how to create a model for course? How to create a model for course? Class? Course inherits models dot model. Correct? And then what we need to do? How to declare fields? How to declare fields here? Course name. Course name equal to, how to do that? Models dot
Care field.
models dot care field. Care field. Okay. What is the arguments it takes?
Max length or
Sorry.
length.
Max. Is it
Max
correct?
length. Max underscore, sir.
Max underscore
Length.
length. That means this will allow up to 45 characters. Correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now how to create this table in the database? For example, which database we connected this? Where we connected this database? Where we configured? Which database it need to connect? Where we configured? In settings.
Views.
Settings. Where? Yeah, database is equal to, this is where we given the MySQL, and the name of the database we are using is the class test1. Okay, correct? Now I will go to workbench. We'll go to workbench. Use class 1. Now I'll say show tables. Okay, these are the tables which has got. In this, there is nothing called courses there. Now, how to create course table here? How to create a course table? First one is, we declared the model, which is called course, which has got course name. Correct? Deepa, you are following, right? Kelvin, you are following, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes,
how
sir.
to create these tables? How will we create here? Start migration. Actually, after 10 minutes, if it disconnects, again join back the same link. Okay. What is that first we need to do for new component? Make migrations. Correct? Make migrations, then migrate. Correct? Make migration. No, it will not work. Why I am telling is, when you take make migrations, then only migrations folder will be created here. Under course, there is nothing is there, you see. Okay, now when you create a make migrations, Okay, migrations. Okay. Now you can see here there is a new file created, initial.py something. Okay. Now I'm going here. I'll say migrate. Okay. Now we go and we say refresh here. You have course underscore course. Okay. So this is how you will create. Now I want to create more. Kelvin, you are able to follow what I done till now?
Sir,
This
yes,
is
sir.
the model. Okay, model means this is a mapping. It is called object to relational mapping. Course is mapped with this course. And how that will happen is using this make migration and migrate. Okay. Now I am adding additional columns. Course name, course description, course description, models dot char field, max underscore length equal to 90. Next one is course code, model dot models dot integer field. This is models. Okay. And then course dot course duration. Okay, models dot, even you can say float field. Okay, and then course batch size equal to models dot integer field. Deepa, you are following, Deepa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, batch size. I will conclude with this. Okay. Okay, now how to add these fields again here to this database? Right now, if you say describe course underscore course, if I run, it has got only two fields. You're following, Kelvin? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Same step again. Make migrations. What it is saying? What it says? It is impossible to add non-null field. Course batch size. Okay. Non-null field course batch size without specifying the default value. Okay. Sorry. So how even you can say default batch size. Okay. Default equal to, let's take 20 is the batch size. What it says? Course code. All integer fields, it is expecting the default value. Okay. Course code. A default equal to, it's called 0. course duration. Okay. Default, let's take 8 weeks. Okay. Course description without specifying any default. This is because database needs something to populate existing rows. Possible to add non-nullable fields. Now you see this has got second one because there is a table already exists, right? This has got added. What are all the fields need to get added? Okay. Now, how will we say migrate? Okay. Now we go and refresh this. So you got all the fields required. Is it clear? Deepa, it is clear?
Yes,
Now we will go and see in admin. I'll go and see in admin. No, admin already there. No, it's a default. No, we didn't start the server. Okay. Manage.py run server. Now go here. We didn't get student. We didn't get course. How to get course here? We did. You are seeing Deepa. Okay. We have only student. We didn't get a course. How to get course in admin? Huh? Sorry. How to get that? Deepa, you have any idea?
sir.
We haven't. See, this is how we did that. Okay. We need to add admin. We need to add admin.py because otherwise this is already admin.py, right? What we done here, we need to register, correct? Admin.site.register. What we need to register? Course, correct? Okay. Now let's go here and import from models. Import what we need to import? Course. Next, admin dot register dot site course. If you do this, okay, if you do this,